So in this video, I want to talk about why diabetics should always use apple cider vinegar, especially diabetics, okay, or anyone with blood sugar issues or insulin resistance. So what is apple cider vinegar? Basically, you're taking apple juice, you're fermenting it with a certain yeast to alcohol or ethanol. Then the bacteria called acetic acid bacteria takes it one step further and makes vinegar or acetic acid. And it's the acetic acid that inhibits insulin. It makes insulin more sensitive. Now, some of you watching are a diabetic type 1, okay, and you don't make enough insulin. This is still good for you because it'll make insulin more sensitive. If you're type 1, chances are you also have insulin resistance. So really, acetic acid improves insulin resistance. Type 2 diabetes is a situation where you have high amounts of blood sugar because the insulin is not working. You have insulin resistance. But the body compensates by making more insulin. So you have a situation where you have too much insulin, but it's ineffective. That's why they call it insulin resistance. Acetic acid from the vinegar will basically help this situation and help lower your blood sugars. So I would recommend 2 tablespoons in at least 8 ounces of water, maybe 12 ounces would be even better, before bed. Use a straw because you don't want the acid on your teeth. I would also recommend consuming it with meals. What you're going to find is your blood sugars are going to come down. Now, when you do this simple remedy to help your blood sugars, you want to test your blood sugars, okay? What's going to happen, your blood sugars are going to come down to normal and sometimes below normal into a hypoglycemic state, in which case you need to adjust your medication because you never want to take blood pressure medication if your blood sugars are normal or too low because it's going to make it even lower. Check with your doctor on that one point. But it'll probably happen gradually and you can make the adjustments. The point is that this is such a simple remedy. It's a no-brainer for anyone that is either a pre-diabetic or diabetic. It's just something that you should do to see some great improvement. You can add lemon to it or ginger to spice it up, or even take apple cider vinegar pills. Now, one last point, I highly recommend you do organic apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, and raw. Why? Because you're going to get just more microbes. When you consume apple cider vinegar that's in an organic state, the microbes are more diverse, 92 microbes, versus conventional apple cider vinegar, which is only 72. So you're going to get some additional benefit for your digestion. All right, guys, go ahead and try this and put your comments down below. So if you like this video, go ahead and share it with someone that you know that could truly benefit from it.